OG Nation.
Hey, man.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
I'm about to go catch some fish, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
Trying to reel a big one in, and I'm really gigging up. Let me reel the line in until it starts letting up. Trying to get this big old motherfucking catfish. Bang things I can throw them on the line. Ain't shit, no lame shit, you know what they said. Soon as it's the water, boys, you know we're all dead. King of the water, yeah, you know what he is. Every time it hits the water, you know he gets it. Fishing like ain't shit, no lame shit, you know what I'm on. I'm a kid, can't beat this shit, I'm winning strong. I'm a big ass in my motherfucking town. None of y'all left boys a fucking playground. I'm like ain't shit, no lame shit, you know what I'm on. Every time I hit the water, you know I'm catching big ones.
Got my fridge stocked up.
Hey, man.
Stay. Dirt. No. No. You're gonna make me lose my damn boat. Put these keys up. You all jolly and happy. You don't know what you just did. Come on. Stay. Damn. My phone stunk. There it goes. Exactly where I brought extra clothes. Wow. Ain't that something? Shit, that didn't take too long to go in. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking that damn kayak was gonna be a little bit more stable than that, but that's why I'm about to get that 133T. Look at me in dirt, man. We're soaked. That's all your fault. Get your ass out here. Come on. I'm gonna stop right on top of this brush pile right here first. Yes, sir. First one of the day, baby, off the kayak. On the jig. Not a bad one. And guess what, y'all? I did not bring a net. I did not bring, not a net, but you know what I mean. Something to put my fish on. Ugh. Not a bad crappie. What you think, Dirt? I hate releasing fish. Saw him not in right here. Put him right under me. Be still. And that's a snag. I'm just right down the street. Alright. My fishing buddy for today. Set that hook. Got all that high-tech gear over there, man.
It'd be dangerous.
Something's over there jumping.
Something's jumping out there. Go get him. I'm never falling out of this boat.
Today's the day.
Today's the day, he says.
I fell in, so you gotta fall in with me.
Oh man, don't say that. Were you recording when that happened?
Yes, I was. You'll see that soon.
Would that be crazy? That'd be hell of a video. Like,
Me and the dog went in together.
and then me go in too.
Right.
And then we catch a bunch of fish.
Something about this spot, because my buddy already went in down there.
It's making me nervous.
Don't sweat it.
Ooh, whoa. Damn, I fell. Alright, we got this. Where we going, Bridge?
Up yonder.
Huh?
Up here, this is where I was just catching them at.
Over there?
Yeah. Get all that gear fired up now.
Oh, it's on.
Everybody and their mama starting to slide out here today. You enjoying the day, Dirt? It's a nice little slab. Crappie pocket.
That's a slab right there, boy.
Yes, sir.
Dang, that's a slab.
Ooh, stabbed my foot.
Just in my bottom right.
Dangling it right in their face, man. Right off the brush pile.
Where the other one at?
You put it through the hole?
Yeah. Well, about to. Yeah, if you want.
You can, I'll probably
Maybe
fall
take it
over.
home, too.
I don't know about all that.
Come on, man. How about you lunch?
That is my lunch. Well, y'all, we ain't have a bad day on the water. I came out with what, like six crappie? Some slabs too. I'll show y'all when we get back to the house and get ready to clean them. Pretty good today. We got some nice slabs. We got some crappie eggs or crappie roe, a bunch of crappie meat. We also let this sit in the sink in the bowl of cold water, let it bleed out. Let them sit and chill for a little bit. Oh yes sir, yes sir. Look at them crappies. Where they do that at? If you pick farm fish over some fresh crappie, you gotta be weird. Do you like farm fish or fish that I caught? Huh?
Fish from the store.
Well, now why would you pick that? You know where that fish came from.
From a dirty ass creek.
Nah, you just don't know. You just don't know. From a dirty creek. Y'all saw how white that meat was. This is a meal fresh off the water. Try some of that roe out. Really don't got no taste to it. Check that out, Bowers. Take a bite.
Okay.
What you think about that? It ain't nasty, but it really don't got no taste to it.
The texture is like
It's too much for you?
some sand.
Oh God, it's like some sand.
Gritty as hell.
I'll stick to them fillets.
Yeah. Oh, that wasn't no fillet?
Mm-mm.
What was it?
What do you think?
You caught your caviar?
What's that roe, boy?
I hate you.
You don't like it?
I can't believe I just ate that.
Is it good? It's good? Yeah, that fresh crappie. Say crappie? Say crappie. How you gonna give the dog your piece, man? Give it to him then if you don't want it.